Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pattay Performance. Today in the driveway, we have this rough Toro personal pace lawnmower powered by a Briggs & Stratton 190cc, guaranteed to start, quantum for you motorheads lawnmower. It is here for a no start. And I see this all the time. And this is the most common thing people do when their lawnmower or snowblower doesn't start, okay? Do not make this mistake. And if you guys could pay attention to right here, it almost seems like he has been doing this for quite some time. This lawnmower says it ran last year. This is a quantum, so we all know how tough they are. But let me show you the mistake that he and many others like you make, and you will not do this anymore. If your lawnmower does not start, it has almost nothing to do with the oil. It even says right here that it takes 20 ounces of oil. Look how overfilled this is. And it does not smell like gas. You see these two lines here? See this dot? That is where your oil needs to be filled up. So now that you know where the oil level is supposed to be, let's dip this one more time. And look how overfilled he is. Guys, when it comes to oil in an engine, okay, when it comes to oil in an engine, you're almost better off of having less oil than more oil, because your motor is basically a sealed system. If it wasn't sealed, you'd have all sorts of problems. So what happens is there's you have a seal on the bottom, a seal on the top, and then there's also another seal for you have your crankcase seals, then you also have your seal on the bottom for your gasket. Too much pressure, you're gonna start blowing things and potentially damage stuff. So just keep that in mind. So I already know why this doesn't work. It's a carburetor, believe it or not. He tried working on it himself. And look at this air filter. This has mold on it, but this is a quantum, so this thing is pretty stable. So I'm gonna get going to this, guys. If your lawnmower doesn't start, I do have numerous other videos on how to diagnose and repair. Please feel free to check out the channel. And again, guys, please do not make this mistake. All right, guys, catch you guys on the next one. Later. I know what you're thinking. This is the same lawnmower. Whether you're a homeowner or you do repairs, clean your okay? Now more than ever, times are tough. And we live in a throwaway society. So clean up, double down that they made the right choice by investing in you to fix their machine. All right, guys, catch you guys on the next one. Later.